Welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to use the Steward Track import template to quickly set up your church financial structure in the system. Instead of entering everything one by one, this Excel file lets you prepare all your financial information in one place and upload it all at once. Think of it like filling out a form ahead of time so you don't have to do it piece by piece later. What is the import template? The import template is an Excel file with 6 tabs. Think of each tab like a different form for a different type of financial information. You will fill each tab with your church information, and the steward track reads it all and sets everything up for you. Key point to emphasize, you don't need to be a computer expert to use this. If you can use Excel or Google Sheet, you can do this. Important note about members. This template is for setting up your church financial structure, things like bank accounts, funds, and categories. Your church members are imported through a separate process in the members section of the Steward Track. We'll cover that in a different tutorial. 6 parts of the import template. Let's go through each tab one by one. For the first tab, financial sources. This tab lists where your church keeps its money. Think of it as a list of all your money containers, your bank accounts, petty cash backs, or online giving platform. Let me explain the columns. For the name column, that is a name you'll recognize, and this is required. Description, a short note about what it's for. For example, primary account for paying bills. Source type, what kind of source is it? Is it bank, cash, online, wallet, fund, or other? So, bank, a checking or saving accounts at a bank, cash, physical cash like a petty cash box or cash drawer. Online giving platform you receive from the online, a digital wallet like GCash, internal fund account, or others. Anything else? For example, let's say your church has a checking account, First National Bank, small petty cash box in the office, and you use an app called Church Giving for online donations. You would create 3 rows for each one. These are the example for our demo accounts. Second, for the second tab is funds. So what this tab is for? Funds are different buckets or pots of money within your church. Even though all your money might be in one bank account, probably track it separately, like knowing how much is general operations versus how much is saved for the building project. For the column definitions, so the name is the name of the fund and it is required. For example, general fund. Description. So what this money is for. For example, unrestricted operating fund for day-to-day ministry. Then the type is restricted or unrestricted. For unrestricted, money that can be used for anything the church needs. For restricted, money that was given for a specific purpose and can only be used for that purpose. For real world example, your general fund is usually unrestricted tithes and offerings that pay for salaries, utilities, and regular expenses. A building fund is usually restricted. People gave specifically for construction or building improvements, so you can't use it to pay the electric bill. These are the example of the fund. For the third tab, income categories. So what is this tab for? Income categories track the different reasons people give money to your church. This helps you see where your money comes from. The columns are name, which the category name. This is a required field. Description, what is the income type? For example, member type, regular giving, and the default fund. So which fund does this go through? These are the common income categories. Fund column is optional, but if you leave it blank, Steward Track will ask you which fund to use each time you record income. If you fill it in, it will automatically suggest that fund. Expense categories. Expense categories track what you spend money on. This helps you see where your money goes. So the name of the category, the description describes what this expense is for, and the default fund. And these are the common expense categories. Budget categories. Budget categories help you plan your spending. These are broader groupings that help you see the big picture when creating your annual budget. And this is the name, name of the budget category and the description. And these are the common budget categories. Think of it this way: pastor salary, secretary salary, and health insurance are expense categories, specific things you pay for, but they all fall under budget categories personnel when you're planning your overall budget. Finally, opening balances. So what this tab is for. Opening balances tell steward track how much you're starting with. It's telling the system, here's what we have in each fund as of today. So the columns are fund name. This should match the fund in the fund tab. The financial source, which should match the financial source in the financial source tab. The amount, how much money each fund has, and what date is this balance from. So let's say your church has 85,000 in the checking account, but you know that 50,000 is general fund money, 25,000 is building fund money, 10,000 is mission fund money, and you enter it like this. And you might also have 500 in petty cash that's part of the general fund. So you'll enter it like this. And for example, if you have another 75,000 in the savings account, then you'll enter it like this. The fund must exactly match what you type in the funds tab. Same with financial source, it must match the source tab. Use positive numbers only. If a fund has no money, you can skip it or enter zero. If you want to fill in opening balances, you must also fill in the financial source and funds tabs first. Opening balances connects these two together, so they need to exist. So here's the step-by-step process before you start. Gather your information, recent bank statements, last year bank or financial report, list of any designated funds. Download the template in Steward Track during setup. Click download template, or you can get a template ahead. Download it from this video. Open it in Excel or Google Sheet. Filling out the template. I recommend filling out the tabs in this order: the financial sources, funds, income categories, expense categories, budget categories, opening balances. Upload your file. So to upload your file, save your completed Excel file in Steward Track. Click upload or import. Select your file. Preview the preview. It will show you what you will be imported. If everything looks good, click confirm import.